Hello guys, I had a trip to Dominican Republic, and the place that I'm gonna be at is Punta Cana. And right now I'm actually in Miami, Florida airport, and then I'm gonna go ahead and straight to Dominican Republic. It's about an hour flight from Miami all the way down to Dominican Republic and Punta Cana place. But anyway, just letting you guys know here. It's I'm really excited about this place, and if you're gonna go ahead thinking about going on vacation for the price that I've actually paid, man, it's not even that much. This place in the airport is amazing. I mean, when I got here, this place didn't even have no AC. It's really breezy. Temperature is about Hawaii, I would say, but yeah, it was a beautiful place. But this the resort that I actually stayed at. It's for the price that you're paying. I mean, for two people, it's not bad. Plus, you get like $200 of activities. Means like if you want to go hiking, if you want to go ahead and do parasailing or any other stuff, you can actually use that voucher that they give you guys. And yeah, but anyway, this place is amazing. The food is really good. I mean, it's just at night it's always something to do. It's always like party. I mean, you go around, you get alcohol pretty much free. I mean, you can tip if you want to, but this place is exclusive to food. I mean, lunch, breakfast, dinner is just amazing. And you go to these places here, they got so many things you can do. You can just relax if you would like, but man, and I mean, I actually enjoyed it. I'm not trying to drink too much because I want to go to all these places that I want to go, and it's just so many things you can do out here to keep you busy and just to have fun, I guess. But yeah, again, you guys can see like food after food. I mean, I'm just like stuffed. And the place that I went to, this place here is beautiful. This is actually like the cave in Dominican. It's famous. If you guys check it out online, it's amazing here. The culture itself is just, I mean, definitely, I would say, yeah. But yeah, so I just went around here. That's why I did the video really fast for you guys. And the area that I'm at is in this is like the famous area in Dominican Republic. If you guys never been, you should definitely check it out. And I went over here to this historic place. The reason why, because my girlfriend, you know, she's pregnant, and there's a lot of stuff that I want to go, like parasailing or any other excursion. I couldn't do it. But if you've never done this before, you should definitely do it, man. It's easy, simple. You don't need the motor. You just gotta learn how to read the wind, and good to go. Woo! Anyway, guys, this is amazing, man. Being in this blow boat is just fun, you know, just relaxing. And I mean, every moment of it, man, just relaxing, and just, I mean, the wind just blowing everywhere, just best feeling ever. You should definitely try it out. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys here. I actually did a drone footage, and I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys what this place is all about. Yes, definitely. You should come out here, guys. Especially you and your couple or your friends or whatever. I mean, there's always exclusive. There's always deal. Going to these places. I mean, every night is always something to do. There's always got concert to have fun with your kids or whatever you want to do. If you want to fly with your drone, you can come out here. I mean, it's amazing for to escape, especially. So check this resort out. You're definitely gonna enjoy it. Had a good time. You should definitely check it out. Again, thank you for watching, and I got more video to come about this place. You should check it all out, and I got more aerial footage for Punta Cana, and that's it. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'm just sharing my moments about this place.